Presenting the Chrysler 2011 Town & Country 4-door WGN Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6-speed automatic transmission, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel, AM/FM stereo, auto-off headlights, auxiliary PWR outlet and backup camera. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.